Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss indeterminate forms of the type infinity by infinity, 0 cross infinity, infinity minus infinity, 0 power 0, 1 power infinity, infinity power 0. In my last video I have discussed the problems on indeterminate form of the type 0 by 0. Here I am going to discuss all other types other than 0 by 0. Okay, first we start with the indeterminate form infinity by infinity. Evaluate the following limits. First is limit theta tending to pi by 2 log theta minus pi by 2 divided by tan theta. On taking limit as theta tending to pi by 2, in the numerator we have log 0 which is infinity, and here we have tan pi by 2 which is infinity. That means it is infinity by infinity form. Okay, means indeterminate form, and for this we will apply our L'Hopital rule, differentiating numerator and denominator separately with respect to theta. Limit theta tending to pi by 2, and this is 1 upon theta minus pi by 2 divided by secant square theta. Okay, now this will be limit theta tending to pi by 2, secant square theta can be written as cos square theta divided by, here we have theta minus pi by 2. Okay, now again on taking limit as theta tending to pi by 2, cos pi by 2 is 0, and here pi by 2 minus pi by 2 again 0. That means here we have 0 by 0 form, which is again a indeterminate form. Therefore next we will again apply L'Hopital rule, differentiating numerator and denominator separately with respect to theta. This will be 2 cos theta into minus sin theta and divided by 1. Okay, derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1. Now on taking limit as theta tending to pi by 2, this will be 2 cos pi by 2 minus here sin pi by 2. And we know cos pi by 2 is 0 and sin pi by 2 is 1. Answer is 0. Okay. Second, now consider this problem, limit x tending to pi by 2 tan 5x divided by 10x. Now on taking limit as x tending to pi by 2, we have in the numerator tan 5 pi by 2 and in the denominator we have tan pi by 2. Okay, and we know tan 5 pi by 2 is infinity, and here also we have tan pi by 2 is infinity. Okay, now differentiating with respect to x, applying L'Hopital rule, we have this 5 secant square 5x divided by secant square x. Okay, which can be written as limit x tending to pi by 2. This is 5 cos square x divided by cos square 5x. I can write like this, and we know cos pi by 2 is 0 and cos 5 pi by 2 is 0. On taking limit we get this is as 0 by 0 form. Okay, now applying L'Hopital rule, this will be limit x tending to pi by 2. This will be 5 into 2 cos x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x, and here 2 cos 5x into minus sin 5x into 5. Okay, now this will get cancelled out and minus will also get cancelled out. Okay, that means we are left with sin x cos x divided by sin 5x into cos 5x. Okay, that means we have here limit x tending to pi by 2. In the numerator I have sin x cos x divided by sin 5x cos 5x. Okay, now this can be written as limit x tending to pi by 2 dividing and multiplying by 2. This is 2 sine 5x cos 5x. Now applying the formula of sine 2 theta, this is sine 2x divided by sine 10x. Okay, now here on taking limit as x tending to pi by 2, this will be sine pi, and here I have sine 5 pi, which is 0 by 0 form. Now again applying L'Hopital rule here. This is limit x tending to pi by 2, and this is cos 2x into 2, and here cos 10x into 10. Okay, now on taking limit as x tending to pi by 2, answer will be minus 2. Here we have cos pi, here cos 5 pi. Okay, answer is this minus 2. This is minus 1, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 10. That is, answer is 1 by 5. Okay, now we consider the indeterminate form of the type indeterminate. Next type, indeterminate form 0 cross infinity. Okay, now we consider this form. Evaluate the following limits. First, limit x tending to 0 sin x into log x. Okay, now taking limit as x tending to 0, this is sine 0, which is 0, log 0 is infinity, this is 0 cross infinity type. Okay, now we know 0 by 0 and infinity by infinity are fundamental forms, and all other forms are in order to solve all other forms other than 0 by 0 and infinity by infinity, we first convert these forms to any of the form of 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. We have to first convert all other forms in the form of 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. Then we will solve by using L'Hopital rule. Okay, now this is the form of 0 cross infinity, indeterminate form 0 cross infinity. Here we note that in this particular question having log, we note that when one of the two factors in the form 0 cross infinity is log x, then do not take log x in the denominator. Okay, means here we have sin x into log x. One of the factor is log. When one of the two factors in the form 0 cross infinity is log x, then do not take log x in the denominator. In order to have the form like 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, we have to take one factor in the denominator. But whenever we have a problem in which one of the factor is log, then don't take log in the denominator. Take second factor in the denominator. Okay, now this form can be written as limit x tending to 0 log x divided by cosec x. I can write in this form. Okay, easily I can write in this form. Now this will be log 0 infinity and cosec 0 1 upon sine 0, that is 1 by 0 infinity by infinity form. Okay, now we can apply our L'Hopital rule here. Okay, differentiating numerator and denominator separately. Don't apply quotient rule of differentiation. Okay, now this is equal to limit x tending to 0 1 by x, derivative of log x is 1 by x, and of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. Okay, now this is equal to limit x tending to 0, 1 by x, this is minus 1 upon sine x into cos x by sine x. Now this is same as limit x tending to 0. I can write this as minus sine square x divided by x cos x. I can write in this form. Now taking x tending to 0 limit, this will be 0 by 0 form. Okay. Now applying L'Hopital rule here, we have limit x tending to 0. This is minus 2 sine x cos x divided by cos x minus x sin x. Clear? Now taking limit. Now in the numerator we have 0, but in the denominator we have 1 minus 0. That is 0 is the answer. Okay. Now consider the second problem. To find limit x tending to infinity x and e minus x, where n is a positive integer. Okay. Now here limit x tending to infinity x power n e minus x. This is x power infinity, infinity power n into e minus infinity. This is 0 cross infinity form. Okay, 0 cross infinity form. Now this is equal to limit x tending to infinity. This can be written as xn divided by e power x. This is infinity by infinity form. Okay. Now this is equal to limit x tending to infinity, applying L'Hopital rule. This is n into n xn minus 1 divided by ex, which is again infinity by infinity form. Now we will apply L'Hopital rule n times here. Okay. Now we can write this as limit x tending to infinity n into n minus 1 up to 2 cross 1 divided by, here derivative of ex is ex only. Okay. Now differentiating n minus 1 times here. Okay. Now we have this. Taking x to be infinity, this will be infinity, and in the numerator we have n factorial. That means n factorial divided by infinity, that is 0. Okay. Clear? Now we consider the indeterminate form of the type. Indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. Infinity minus infinity. Now we consider this type of form. Okay. Now evaluate the following limits. First is limit x tending to 0, 1 by x square minus 1 upon x into 10x. Okay. Now taking limit as x tending to 0, this is 1 by 0, that is infinity. Here also 1 by 0, we have infinity. Okay. That means this is of the form infinity minus infinity. Now this can be written as limit x tending to 0. Again here also we have to convert this form in the of type 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. Taking LCM, here this will be x square 10x, and here I have 10x minus x. Okay. Here now I can write this as limit x tending to 0, 10x minus x divided by x square. into 1 upon 10x and dividing and multiplying by x. Okay. Now this is limit x tending to 0, 10x minus x divided by x cube, taking this x to this, and into x by 10x. This is limit x tending to 0, 10x minus x into x cube into limit x tending to 0, x by 10x. I can write like this, and we know this limit is equal to 1. Okay, means we are left with only this limit, limit x tending to 0, 10x minus x by x cube. Clear? Now on taking limit as x tending to 0, this is 0 by 0 form. Now applying L'Hopital rule here, this can be written as limit secant square x minus 1 divided by 3x square. Again, this is 0 by 0 form. Secant square at 0 is 1. 1 minus 1, 0 divided by, here we have 0. Now again applying L'Hopital rule, limit x tending to 0. This is 2 secant x 10x divided by 6x. Okay. Clear? Now this is equal to limit x tending to 0, 1 by 3 secant square x into 10x by x. Okay. Now this can be written as 1 by 3 into limit x tending to 0, secant square x into limit 10x by x as x tends to 0. And this limit, we know this limit is equal to 1. Okay, now here this is 1. That means 1 by 3 into 1, answer is 1 by 3. Clear? Okay. Now we consider next problem. Now consider this second. To find limit x tending to pi by 2 secant x minus 10x. Okay. Now as x tends to pi by 2, secant pi by 2, 1 upon cos pi by 2, that is infinity. And same here, sine by cos. Cos pi by 2 is 0. That means this is infinity minus infinity form. Okay. Now this can be written as limit x tending to pi by 2, secant x is 1 upon cos x minus here sin x by cos x. Okay. This is limit x tending to pi by 2. Limit x tending to pi by 2. This is 1 minus sin x divided by cos x. Now on taking limit as x tending to pi by 2, this is 1 minus 1, 0. That is 0 by 0 form. Now applying L'Hopital rule here, this is limit x tending to pi by 2. This is minus cos x by minus sin x. And on taking limit, this will be 0 by 1. Sin pi by 2 is 1 and cos pi by 2 is 0. That is 0. Okay, clear? Now we consider the indeterminate forms. Indeterminate forms of 0 power 0, 1 power infinity, infinity power 0. Okay, now we consider the problems on this form. Okay, now evaluate the following limits. First, limit x tending to 1, x 1 upon 1 minus x. Okay. Now this is on taking as x tending to 1 here. This will be 1 power 1 upon 1 minus 0. 1 minus 1. That is 0. This is of the form 1 power infinity. Okay. This is of this form 1 power infinity. Now Now here we take let L to be equal to limit x tending to 1 x 1 power x power 1 upon 1 minus x. Okay. Now this is taking log both sides. Taking log both sides, this is equal to log L is equal to limit x tending to 1 log x power 1 upon 1 minus x. Now this can be written as limit x tending to 1 upon 1 minus x log x. Okay, that is, this is limit x tending to 1 log x by 1 minus x. Okay, now log 1 is 0 divided by 1 minus 1, that is 0. This is 0 by 0 form. Clear? Now this is equal to, on applying L'Hopital rule, this is equal to limit x tending to 1 upon x minus 1. And on taking limit as x tending to 1, this will be 1 upon minus 1, that is minus 1. Okay, that means log L is equal to, this implies log L is equal to minus 1, that is L is equal to E minus 1. This is the answer. Clear? Now second problem, to find limit as x tending to a 2 minus x by a power 10 pi x by 2a. Okay, again on taking limit as x tending to a, this will be 2 minus a by a, that is 2 minus 1, that is 1, and here 10 pi by 2, that is infinity. Okay, that means this is of the form 1 power infinity. Again we have to take L to be equal to this limit and we will take log both sides. Okay, this will be, let L is equal to limit 2 minus x by a power 10 pi x by 2a. Now taking log both sides, we get log L is equal to limit x tending to a 10 pi x by 2a into log 2 minus x by a. Clear? Now this is equal to, this can be written as limit x tending to a log 2 minus x by a divided by cot pi x by 2a. Okay, tan theta is 1 by cot theta. I can write in this form. Now taking limit as x tending to a, this will be log 1, that is 0, log cot pi by 2, that is 0. This is 0 by 0 form. Clear? Now applying L'Hopital rule here, we get this is equal to limit x tending to a, this will be 1 upon 2 minus x by a into minus 1 by a divided by, this cot will be minus cosec square pi x by 2a into pi by 2a. Clear? Now on taking limit as x tending to a, this will be a by a, that is 1 only. We are left with minus 1 by a in the numerator, and in the denominator we have this cosec square pi by 2, that is a and a will get cancelled out, pi by 2. Okay, sin pi by 2 is 1, this will be minus 1 here into pi by 2a. Okay, now this minus will get cancelled out and we have 1 by a into 2a by pi. That means we have 2 by pi. Okay, therefore now we have log L is equal to 2 by pi. This implies L is equal to E 2 by pi. Okay, now this is the answer. Clear? Okay, now we come to next problem. Now we consider the next problem. Third, to find limit as x tending to 0, we have to find the limit 1 by x power 10x. Okay. Now 1 by 0, that is infinity, and 10 0, that is 0. This is of the form infinity power 0. Okay. Now again, here also we take L to be this limit, x tending to 0, 1 by x, 10x. Taking log both sides, we have log L is equal to limit x tending to 0, log 1 by x, 10x. Now this is equal to limit x tending to 0, 10x into log 1 by x. This can be written as limit x tending to 0, log 1 by x divided by cot x. Okay. Now this can be further written as limit x tending to 0. This is log m by n form. Means log m minus log n. Log 1 is 0. This is minus log x divided by cot x. Okay. Now taking limit as x tending to 0. This is infinity by infinity form. Now this is equal to limit on applying L'Hopital rule now. This is minus 1 by x divided by minus cos square x. Minus will get cancelled out here. Okay. That means this is equal to limit x tending to 0 sine square x divided by x. Clear? On taking limit as x tending to 0, this is 0 by 0 form. Now this is limit x tending to 0, 2 sine x into cos x divided by 1. Now on taking limit, this will be 2 into 0 into 1, that is 0 only. Okay. This means log L is equal to 0, that is L is equal to e power 0, that is 1. This is the answer. Okay. Clear? Now we consider the question of the form 0 power 0. Now we consider this problem to find limit x tending to 0, x power x. Okay. Now taking limit as x tending to 0, this is 0 by 0 power 0 form. Okay. Now again here also we have let limit is equal to L is equal to limit x tending to 0, x power x. Taking log both sides, we get log L is equal to limit x tending to 0, x log x. Now this is equal to limit x tending to 0. This can be written as log x divided by 1 by x. On taking limit as x tending to 0, this will be infinity by infinity form. Now on applying L'Hopital rule here, we have limit x tending to 0, this will be 1 by x divided by minus 1 by x square. Okay. Now this is limit x tending to 0, 1 by x minus x square. Okay. That is here limit x tending to 0 minus x. Okay. That is 0 only. Therefore, log L is equal to 0 implies L is equal to e power 0, that is 1. Okay. Clear? This is how we have to solve the problems of the form indeterminate form infinity minus infinity or 0 power 0 or 1 power infinity. Okay. Now that's it for this video. If you have any queries or any suggestions, please write to me in comment box. Thank you.